Greetings and salutations. This is your STEM Minute. I'm Oak, and here's Mark, and we're here to talk a little bit about non-Newtonian fluids.
A non-Newtonian fluid is one that behaves differently when forces are applied. Regular liquid like water or whatnot is going to be the same no matter what you do to it. But a non-Newtonian fluid is different. The best example of that is your ketchup bottle at home. That's why you have to shake the bottle to loosen the ketchup so it comes out. So we're going to make our own. This is cornstarch and water. All it is this is a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. And you just throw that in a bowl. And then take this same 1/4 cup, fill it about halfway with water. Throw that in the bowl too. And then just mix it up. So what you're going to see is it's a liquid, but it's also really hard to stir. But then also, when it sits, it turns back into a liquid. Go ahead and try that. Stir that. It gets really hard to stir.
What?
But then when you let go, it turns back into a liquid.
How does that work?
So what's happening is the molecules of the cornstarch are actually getting stuck when you put force on it. It's jamming those molecules together and they're getting stuck. And then as that force goes away, you can actually pick that up, play with it in your hand, and when you leave it in your hand, it's going to turn back to a liquid. Go ahead. And then you leave it in your hand and it gets...
Huh.
And you put a little bit of force on it, and it hardens back up.
Hardens back up. Okay.
This is a fun little experiment you can do with chemistry. This is one of the basic concepts of chemistry is about how molecules interact with force. Okay, now a word of warning for disposal of this. Do not throw it down the drain because it will clog your drain. So throw it away in a garbage can, or if you have to throw it down the drain, mix it with a lot more water first.
This is awesome. Well, thank you so much for joining us. Look forward to hearing what you think about these wonderful experiments, and this is awesome. Have a good time with your cornstarch. Take care.